Okay, first of all, you have to have downloaded already your hex file from the EEPROM of the Digimon Digivice 20th anniversary. You download it, you save it to whatever name you want. I have some names here, some other files that I have tried out and tested it. After that, you go to HXD, which is a hex editor. You press open, and then you open whatever file you want. In this case, I'm gonna download, or I'm gonna open this file over here. You open it, and then you have all the registers on the file, right? It's the exact same view, just that it's on this software. What this software is gonna help us do is copy it to Excel. You press Ctrl Z, and you open Excel. You go here. You need to have already downloaded my file. I have it here. This is the original file. So yeah, you go to raw, which means raw data, and you click on the last list. This is the address. This is the address section, and this is the number. I just used this number to write it down later as an hex file or hex values. Right click, insert, and then you paste. Oh yeah, copy it. As you can see, it's not very friendly, or it's not the type of file you can edit on Excel. You go to data, text to columns, data tools, text to column. Mine in Spanish. It's pretty much the same location as in English. Wrong. Text to columns. Next. Make sure all the settings are exactly the same. Next. Next. As you can see, all the values have been placed correctly. Press finish. There are things here. Yeah, I don't care. Yes. And well, correct. All the information is already in Excel, ready to be used. Now let's change the name. I don't know, whatever you like. Test _5, whatever. Test B for video. I don't know. Look at the row. It's 38. You go N. This is the file. This is my initials and the letter N. As you can see, it has a number here. Go to raw. This is number 38. You go here. You write down 38, and there you go. All the values have changed to match the ones on the raw section. I have it like this to compare what's the difference between one and another. You can just compare whatever file you like, or whatever file it's already on the raw table or list or whatever you want to call it. It's not very useful for you, but here it is. You can compare your files. Okay, now what you want to do, what you actually want to do, go insert again, test. Oh no, test D2. The name doesn't really matter because you're gonna edit it on a hex file anyways. For display purposes, I'm just gonna do copy and paste it the exact same way as it is. You just select the top section. You can copy it to here. The other values don't really matter because they're constant no matter what no matter what. The only values that really matter are from address 0 to address 69. These are the only values that actually do something in the Digivice. Now, what you really want to do is calculate the checksum, as you can see on my list of hex addresses. There's a small description. This is the formula. I started with this formula, then I continued to develop until I finally arrived to this formula. You don't have to know math. This is just for me. B2, okay. Let's get here. Equal to this. There you go. This is the name. Now, what you want to do is copy this down here. It's not going to be the exact same place. Or it will, I don't know. Let's see, C38. You go to the top, C38. No, it is not. You place it to the right position, and it's C39. Okay, now it's correct. What is this for? Well, it just translates the values from hexadecimal to decimal. It doesn't really matter. You copy all the section all the way to here, and there you go. The values here are the exact same as on the top, the test B2, just that they are in decimal. Now, what's important is this address here. As you can see, well, it already does the thing. Okay, you don't have to know math to use it. You just copy it, paste it, make sure it's in the right column, and here just make sure you copy it from here to here, and that's it. No math involved. Now, if you want to edit something, you go here. Let's say 39. Now you can compare what are the difference between one and another. These are placeholder values. They are not, well, they're on some of my Digivice. If you want to unlock the secret or the special Digimon from your Digivice, you can just copy this section. For test purposes, I'm just gonna edit this file or this address, and it's 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here it's 0, 5. So it's in the sections. It's 0, 5. We go to raw. This section 0, 5. It's this one. So let's edit it. What do you want it to do? What do you want it to be? Just gonna add a 5. I don't really mind. And as you can see, the checksum already changed. It changes here too. And as you can see, it changed here. I just put here I translated the hex value to character just for visual purposes. It doesn't really matter. You can just put any character you like, from A to Z, and the exclamation and question mark and space. That's pretty much it. So yeah, you have this. You say you're fine with the changes. This is your current two Digimons that you have, and your Digimon that you have on the checksum or in the copy section or the stock section. More information, it's right here. Stock 1, stock 2, and the stock value. If you want a certain Digimon, let's say you want Andromon. If you really want Andromon, you have to look for B2. You take a note for B2. You go to address, what was it? 19. Go to raw. Address 19. Here it is. And what was it? 2B. There we go. And as you can see, it's already changed. It's already changed here. This is the decimal representation with some characters, and this is the hexadecimal representation. You need the hexadecimal representation. Now, how do you put it back into the Digivice? Well, there's no other way. You just copy and paste the values one by one. At the moment, I don't have any macro or something to automate this process. I don't really want to work on that. I'm just happy with this. You save as, make sure you save it. You write, I don't know, whatever name you want, doesn't really matter. Just for test purposes or demonstration purposes, I'm going to change the name. And this, as you can see, this is very different from what it's displayed here. You can just change it to 8, and there you have it. It's exactly the same. And you copy whenever it's on the Excel. As you can see, address 0 is 6F, and we only change the last value of the name. It's 05, and that's pretty much it. You save it. It's already saved. Go back to your programmer. Open the file. Where is it? It's called test bit2. There we go. And then you prepare everything for your Digivice, right? You open your Digivice and connected it to whatever you use. In this case, I'm using the CH341A. You can use any of these two. I have never used them. I have this one, but I just wanted to buy another tool for specifically this reason. Anyway, you write it down. I'm not going to show you how to do it because it's out of the scope of the video. And yeah, that's pretty much it. There's nothing else into it. Hope this helps. And all the extra information, it's on the Excel. Some values I don't know what they do, like this one, but they don't affect the Digivice in any reasonable manner. Just occur mistakes, train, evolution time, names, and that's pretty much it. Hope you enjoy. Bye bye.